This is the 855 crimp tool. You start using this tool by adjusting the thumb set screw on the back side of the last die. You want it to come down just so you got a little pressure. If it springs back up, it's a little bit too snug. Screw it. Okay, that's good. Now you've got all compression, all the die halves are completely touching. Predetermined, we discovered number one is the proper die for this hose application and fitting size. You'll come down, you'll start toward the back of the ferrule, come down, go halfway, stop, rotate 90 degrees, come down the rest of the way completely, come back and do it one more time. Now you've got a crimped assembly ready. I've taken this 855 assembly apart to demonstrate that on the 855A models that are available in the catalog as options, you've got the last die is a different part number. That's what's going to be changed between the 855A and the 855, is the last two pieces. So when you order an optional die, these two is what you're going to be getting. You're going to install these two items. The other problematic area is this link right here. If you misuse this product and you put it on the floor and step on it to apply too much pressure, you will crack this die casting. This die part number is an 856-1 is the replacement part number. And to replace that, you just pop out these snap rings, take the handle assembly apart, slide that out, the new one will come in, you'll just reinstall it, you're back in business. These Allen screws only have to be snugged. Again, you'll adjust your thumb screw until it's got a little spring back. The 855 dies will be marked 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, etc. That has no correlation of the die diameter after completion of crimp. We have another chart that you can pull off the website that has the crimp board dimension or the finished crimp. For example, the 856-1 will be a 0.625 crimp diameter when completed. This is the 860 crimper, designed for a little bit larger diameter, small multi-purpose hoses, brass stems and ferrules for crimping. You slide your die halves in, just like so, keeping sure that your markings on the dies are all the same direction. We'll come down, adjust the thumb screw so there's a little spring, a little tension on closing it. Okay, that'll do. We've predetermined our die. We're going to come down halfway, stop, rotate it 90 degrees, fully complete the crimp, rotate it back 90 degrees and crimp it again.